In this video, we will see how we can create a pop-up message or an alert box in PowerApps. It is useful when we want to have some kind of confirmation to the user so that they will take the action accordingly. So for example, if someone accidentally click on this delete button and this item will get deleted. So to avoid this situation, we can create one alert box where we can ask the user whether they are sure that they can delete that item, and if they click on yes, then only this item will get deleted. So this is the scenario that we will cover today. So let's see how we can create a pop-up box in Power Apps. So here we first need to add one rectangle with full size, and just change the color transparency to zero point 0.5. Okay, then add few controls to create one pop-up box. So I will add another rectangle here. I will make it little big and give the color as white so that it will look a little better. Then add one label for the heading. So give change the color to let's say this no, let's change the field color to this one, and we'll make it center aligned, and the color will be black. The text will be delete record. Okay, then we will need to add one another label which will say like are you sure you want to delete the record. Okay, so I'll make it little large. Let's make it bold. Okay, now we will add a couple of buttons over here. So I have copied them, so just paste it. You can create your own buttons. Okay, so our pop-up box is ready. Now we want to write a logic to show and hide this entire pop-up box. So first you need to make a group of all these controls, whatever we have recently added. Okay, so make a group of it. Give it its name as a group pop-up, and for time being just make it hidden. Now we will need to write the logic to show and hide that pop-up. We will use one variable. So let's set that variable over here. So instead of directly removing the item, we will set one variable var show pop-up. So this is a boolean variable, so we will make it true, so that when this variable is true, then only we will show that pop-up. So we will use this value to our group visible property. Okay, so you can see that when I click on delete now, this will show. Now if we want to delete this, so let me make it as cancel here or text, and if I cancel it, I'll make that variable as false, so no action will be taken. Var show popup as false, so that you can see that it will not delete that record. Okay, now just write the logic on delete also. Now here what you need to mention as whatever action you want to take on the data source. So here is my list and I want to remove that selected item. So my gallery is all items dot selected. And once this item gets deleted, I want to hide the pop-up also. So I'll make it as var show pop-up as false. So this is my formula. Now let's try it. So I'll delete this. Let's see if it gets deleted. Okay, you can see that it got deleted. So this is how you can easily develop the pop-up in PowerApp. I have also written the post on c-sharpcorner. You can visit that. I will provide the link of this blog in the video description. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.